Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making a perfume slash makeup holder using a chocolate box. Here I am using scotch tape and the warmth of the fingers to remove the logo from the box. I cut some sticks and then glued them together and then covered them with the golden tape. Then I stitched the 4 sticks on all sides of the box. Then I put the other half on the top and fixed it with glue gun. And finally I placed some of my perfumes and my makeup on it, and it's ready. I hope you guys liked the idea. Don't forget to like and comment, and thank you so much for watching my video.